Hello everyone, we welcome you back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about important points for nursing exams. First point is pellagra is due to deficiency of niacin. Pellagra is due to deficiency of niacin. Second point is neonate stomach capacity is 90 ml. Neonate stomach capacity is 90 ml. Next, anti-sterility vitamin is, which vitamin is vitamin E? Anti-sterility vitamin is vitamin E. All these points are very important. This also is very commonly asked questions. Next, xenophobia is known as fear of strangers. Xenophobia is fear of strangers. Next point is aseptic meningitis is caused by a virus. Whereas septic meningitis is caused by a bacteria. Next point is the most important characteristic of a toddler is a temper tantrum. Next point is homosexuality in females is termed as lesbianism. Breast cancer is most likely to occur in the left breast. Please remember that breast cancer is most likely to occur in the left breast. The most common form of childhood cancer is leukemia. This is also a very commonly asked question in any competitive exams. Next, the important diagnostic test in malaria is the peripheral smear of blood. The daily requirement of iodine is 0.2 mg in an adult. Landau reflex appears at 6 to 8 months. This is a neonatal reflex and it appears at 6 to 8 months. Aversion therapy is used for the treatment of alcoholism. The largest organ of the human body is the skin. This also is very commonly asked questions. And the largest organ inside the human body is liver. Please note that the largest organ in the body is the skin, whereas the largest organ inside the body sometimes is the largest gland. Sometimes they used to say largest gland in human body is liver, whereas the largest organ is skin. Next, the smallest organ in the human body is the pineal gland. This also is very commonly asked questions. The smallest cells in the human body is the sperm, whereas the largest cell in the human body is the ovum. The longest cells in the human body is the neuron, whereas the largest vein in the human body is the inferior vena cava. The largest artery is aorta, whereas the largest vein in inferior vena cava, this is the largest artery. Here, the largest artery in the human body is aorta. The largest muscles in the human body is gluteus maximus. The strongest muscles in the human body is the masseter. This is present is achieving or muscles of mastication. This is strongest muscles in the human body. Please remember this masseter. The longest muscles in the human body is sartorius, whereas the smallest muscles in the body is the stapedius. Please remember that stapedius is the smallest muscles in the body is present in the ear, where the hardest walking muscle but in the human body is the heart muscles or the myocardium. The most flexible muscles is the tongue. The most active muscles is the eye muscles. The soleus muscles of or calf muscles is known as a peripheral heart. This is also very common asked question. Soleus muscles or calf muscles is known as the peripheral heart because why? It helps in venous return of the blood. That is why it's known as the peripheral heart. The largest bone in the human body is the femur, whereas the smallest is the stapes. Thank you all. This is all are the important points for nursing.